How far can you drive on empty? For a driver, being trapped on the road with an empty tank may be a nightmare, especially on lengthy travels. That's why it's advisable to know how far you can drive on empty, especially for your car. Or, occasionally, the fuel low alert merely appears, and you begin to worry that there are no gas stations nearby. So the answer to the question is that you can drive anywhere from 30 miles to 50 miles on empty, depending on the type of car you have. In general, you can expect the gas warning light to illuminate when your tank is at 10 to 15% capacity. So, if your car gets about 300 miles out of a tank of gas, you can probably go 30 to 45 miles once the gas light comes on. Can running your car on empty harm it? Yes. When the gas tank is empty, the engine sucks air from the tank, which causes the automobile to suddenly stop. Additionally, the particles that build up in the gasoline tank will block the fuel filter. This screws up the readings on the fuel gauge in addition to damaging the fuel pump. Is it acceptable to operate a vehicle without fuel? Technically speaking, it is conceivable to drive with an empty tank. However, you are given access to this option so that you can travel to the closest gas station to replenish your vehicle. You don't want to be trapped on the road while traveling, which an empty fuel tank might also cause. Consider being stranded in the middle of nowhere with no access to help or cellular service. Fill up the petrol tank to stop worrying about how far you can go on a single tank. It's important to keep in mind that regularly driving on an empty gas can also result in a damaged catalytic converter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful automotive insight. Thanks for watching and drive safe.